Thank you to Macy's for sponsoring this video.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Hello and welcome back to StarPuppy. This is Danielle, your resident weirdo checking in. Welcome back to Ma'am, calm down! You calm down! And that's Miss to you. Well. I've grown more confident on the inside because of all this yoga I've been doing. I don't know if you can tell. Me. Yes, I have been working out. I heard there's another episode of Black Mirror coming out. Yeah, the philosophy skincare is working really well. Literally, the only reason I am not wearing my athleisure right now is because it's in the washing machine. I've been feeling so happy and so confident and like so hopeful. It feels so cheesy to say that, but I've just been feeling good. I've been feeling like I'm worth it, all this time and energy I put into myself, and it just kind of feels like a new leaf is being turned over. And I've noticed that, please don't judge me. My surroundings don't necessarily reflect my like good brand new leaf, out with the old, in with the new. If they're not sparking joy in us, then they can't sit with us vibe. My patented move. Especially like the sanctuary of my living space, my bedroom. Maybe not what we're hitting for. Here is what my bedroom looks like.
Shield your heart as you gaze upon the current state of StarPuppy's room. It is sad, no? Stale and lacking creativity. So sad.
I know. Be nice. I know. It's not what you would expect from me. Even I didn't expect it from me. Life got crazy, life got very difficult, especially before I started this series. You know, everything was going on and some other things that I don't talk about on here. Talked a little bit on Patreon about it though. Shout out to my patrons. It's messy, it's cold, it's unadorned. It gives more of like a sad winter bleak. It's like bleak. And I feel so much more vibrant now. Everything in here is like very dull and haphazard. I don't feel like I've put any of myself into this room where I spend hopefully 8 hours a day if I go to bed on time. So it's time for a change. Macy's has been kind enough to sponsor me for this video as well, and we're gonna go and work on that. My aim is to match the rest of my aesthetic, which is cottagecore fairy citizen, not princess, too much paperwork. It's giving magical twilight of the evening, not that one, and Oberon and Titania come over for tea. The tea is served in something kitschy, like a giant walnut shell, like that kind of feeling. So you know what's gonna happen now. I decided to shop in store, in brick and mortar store, for the supplies. I'll give you over to IRL Shopping Danielle. Good luck. Oh, hi. I didn't see you come in. Welcome to Shopping in Real Life Part 2. Let's go, shall we? Can you explain to me why this is so gorgeous? Any explanations on that? Macy's has something to say about quality. You think this is full of down, right? It's down, right?
I think.
Quality?
Well done.
I got you. But seriously, this is like embroidered. It's 100% cotton, I think. And it's so pretty. Cottagecore. Moving right along.
Honestly, I'm really digging the bedspread.
It's really high quality. You know when something's pretty, but you touch it and you're like, I'm gonna have you for a year. That's it. This is like, you take this out for 10 years. It's perfect. I'm getting it. Just kidding. I already got it. Look at these details. This is exactly my kind of style, like my taste. It's like, it's always really hard to like find stuff that's really nichely like unique to me. You know this. Like I'm always trying to find things that look like they belong in Middle Earth. That's my aesthetic. This looks like Galadriel like made this for you. Beautiful. Like there's a subtle difference in texture between this, and then of course all this gorgeous embroidery. It's like got a shift to it. So it's really, you know, it's like adult, very subtle. I love Lord of the Rings.
Yes, because the leg is so subtle.
It's so subtle, you guys. Don't you think it's so subtle? The subtlety.
Oh my god.
So after I put in an order for delivery at the counter for that beautiful bedspread set, I immediately saw this giant, gorgeous concoction. Oh my gosh, I need it. It's beautiful. And it was done by like an independent artist. This is original art. This isn't like screen printed. This is someone actually painted this. This is original art. And she looks lovely. I'm not sure if I can show her. I want it. Let's ask about it.
Approximately 45 seconds later.
I'm a professional voice actor. I bought it. It's mine now. And welcome back. So now that we had our supplies hurtling towards us with expedited shipping and just several things in hand, it was time to tackle my room. If you can call it that. It was more of a sleep dwelling. My unconscious cave, I guess. My bedroom especially should be like my sanctuary. It's like how you end your day and how you like, it sets the tone for like your entire day. And I just kind of wake up to blank walls and a mess. And I don't think that's really great for my mental health. So let's change that. I really want to match how I feel on the inside to the outside. So let's go. So first thing is first, it's giving out with the old and in with the new. So it was time to clean up the mess I was living in. Enjoy. Success! We have gotten all of the old out, all of the mess out, and it's already starting to feel much lighter and more happy in here just because, seriously, a cluttered space is a cluttered mind, let me tell you. So now it's time for the new bedding. When I tell you when I was in store and I ordered these things and then they came the next day, okay, Macy's. I see you, Macy's. I see you. Not only are these sheets so soft, but the elegant touches of all of these pillows with all the embroidery, like the very soft sheen of gold, like the shifting colorful with like the soothing mint seafoam color. It's restful, but it's happy. Does that make sense? Like, go to sleep and be happy about what you've done today. That's what the bedspread says. It's already made a difference. I'm coming to you after I've been sleeping on this. And I feel a lot brighter and happier because I wake up and it's just pretty. It's pretty. I wake up to beauty. That's huge for me. I also got a bunch of dead plants out of my room. I think waking up and the first thing that I saw was like literally perished things. Wasn't great. And I don't think I realized how much that hurt my feelings. Because I have quite the green thumb, so seeing all my failures first thing, it was kind of sad. And I don't think I noticed, but my brain did. Does that make sense? I bet it does. I got this online, actually. This gorgeous plant stand, and it's tall, and it gets all of the plants elevated instead of on a flat surface. It really brings a lot of dimension to the room. So I put my faves on that. Patrons know who's the king. Some of you might have had a keen eye and recognized this in video 1 of Ma'am Calm Down. Was this gorgeous artist named Coco Michelle that I found in real life in the first video. Ooh, Easter egg. And not only is this a gorgeous calendar with affirmations, but also these glorious illustrations of these deep and light and everything in between, these beautiful black girls. There's perforation in the calendar so you can tear each of them out and use them as posters. So it's a calendar, but it doesn't go to waste after you finish it. And they're like really high quality, like glossy, like cardstock paper. And so I decided to put an affirmations wall in my bedroom. I think it's so important to just wake up, and while I'm making my bed, I can see all of these wonderful things I need to internalize. I win redecorating. And last but certainly not least, I had to hang this absolutely decadent, giant, beautiful, absolutely stunning piece of original artwork. And I had to do it in the most chaotic way possible. Please enjoy. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal. If you can't tell, I am in just a great mood these days. I don't feel a crazy amount of pressure. I feel like even when certain things go wrong, and things are still going wrong, they are. It rolls off my back a lot easier. It's because I put things, I invested in me. And so it's a lot harder to flap my sails. I'm unflappable. Well, I am much less flappable. I'm having a great time. I feel so positive, and I think I win my confidence journey. Yay! That feels really good to say. You know, I'm just gonna continue to invest in myself. Like for the last several days, I have been just like opening. I love keeping this door closed so I can just open it and be like, oh no. It's so pretty in here. Oof, ow, ah. But yes, a huge, huge thank you to Macy's for just partnering with me in, I don't want to be too dramatic, but like low-key, high-key in my time of need. Like, this whole channel has been so hair-focused that at certain times I kind of felt trapped. But I just appreciate so much that Macy saw that I had something else to offer. No, hold it back. And that their confidence in me inspired me to be confident in me and try something new on the channel. Nope. I appreciate you guys so much for showing up. It just means a lot that you believe in me too. And I feel so much more confident and happy branching out, doing other things that I love and investing in me. And it just means a lot that not only do I believe in me so much more than I did at the beginning of this process, but also that you believe in me too. So thanks. Hello, I'm fine. So I really just hope that my confidence journey and me doing my best to be vulnerable and like investing in myself and high quality things to express and facilitate feeling cooler and more confident and like I'm changing for the better. I really hope that that inspired you to do the same for yourself at your own pace. I believe in you. I believe in you like I believe in me. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me. So thank you so much. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy. Away! Yeah!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.